You attend my demo class, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I don't think you have some issue because I have already told in a demo class. What is that thing I have given the training? Just a
Yes,
second.
sir.
I can see this. Okay. I think you know na this part. Whatever I give you in a demonstration, like what do you mean by ERP and SAP, different model of SAP. Sesu, can you hear me? Sesu,
Sir, yes, sir. Hello?
have you seen my screen?
Sir, yes, I can see. Um, I
Yeah, I
think,
think we have discussed na in a demo class this part. What do you
yes,
mean
sir.
by ERP?
Yeah, sir, yes, sir. You said about ERP and all. Yes, yes.
Yes, only introduction part and some part of the like modules enough.
Yes,
Only
sir.
I can discuss only that thing, whatever you attend in demo class. So don't worry. If you want, I
Sure,
can
sir.
send you that video also. Okay, don't worry. Devendra.
Sure, sir, sure.
Okay. So till now, anyone facing any doubt?
No, Sujit, no.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what can do? One, we can wait 4 to 5 minutes, then we should start it. Or
Yeah,
there is any
it's okay,
update?
sir. Yeah.
Yeah, any update for that two candidate, Sabita? Sabita, can you hear me? Anyone, any update for that two candidates, Ravindra and Ali?
No, sir.
We have not any update. Na? Sabita, can you hear me?
Maybe she's trying calling them, sir.
Okay. Okay, just wait 3 to 4 minutes, then we should start.
Um,
Yeah, Sabita, tell me what happened that two
yes,
candidates.
yeah, actually, I have called. Srinath has picked up the call and he's outside with the family. He told me that he will be not able to join today.
See, okay. So it's a very important class. You may be getting the recorded video, okay, but you have not heard the concept. If you have not joined the live classes, okay,
Yes, yes.
you may be getting the recorded video. That is not a big deal, okay. I can provide you in every class at the end of the day. So you have
Yes.
to expert whatever I am telling you now. That is most important concept. No one can tell you because in a live
Yes,
class,
yes.
yeah, I can give you live scenario. Okay, so you
Yeah.
missed that. I don't know what happened there two candidates. Okay, so now we should start it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sesu, I think you have experienced people, na? I think you have been experienced.
Yes, sir. I'm working as a HR executive from 4 years.
Perfect. So I think everyone having experience, or like someone from the fresher. I don't think anyone from fresher. Anyone from fresher?
No, sir. All are
But
experienced candidates.
okay, but still you want. So I can see you some the domain knowledge. I know everyone experienced people. But I can also see you because that is also part of it. See, how you understand what do you mean recruitment and like recruitment type? Everyone.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So nothing recruitment means the right candidate for the right place. Okay. So there is two type of recruitment process. One is internal and second one is external. Okay. So what do you mean by internal? So internal recruitment means whatever that is by the own employee we can hire. Like it may be reference, maybe promotion, demotion, internal job posting, transfer, temporary or permanent. This is a scenario of the internal recruitment type. Okay, most of the companies like TCS, Infosys, they are using the internal hiring process. So external is the same process, but it should be hiring from the outside. It may be job site like Naukri.com, Monster. Okay, so consultancy also you should tie up on the others consultancy, social media also, referral also, advertisement, employee exchange, placement, outsourcing, contract basis. So this is a part of the recruitment type, like internal and external. So I don't think I should explain every each and part because you have been experienced everyone. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So now going for the second part, this is a part of the e-recruitment. Okay. So e-recruitment is nothing, it's a part of the online recruitment process. So here is using the some tool. It is ATS tool, application tracking system or online, whatever you can use it. It's a very job boarding of. So now you now scenario everyone using the online because online is a very benefit. So you can track your candidate whether that candidate accept your offer letter or not, or like arrange an interview or not, whatever the like recruitment process that is done by the ATS. So how many people have experience in ATS, or you have not any experience in ATS
Yeah, I
application
have
tracking system?
only 1.5 year.
Perfect. And others people?
No, we
No,
don't
sir.
have.
I don't know about application tracking system.
So who can guide that person? What do you mean by ATS?
Application tracking.
Yeah, Ravindra, can you explain? Only 5 minutes, everyone. Like what happened in ATS and how you just going for the recruitment process in ATS. Can you guide everyone?
Around 4 years back, I'm
Okay,
using
okay.
this
Forget.
system. After that, I'm
Okay.
totally operation side.
Okay, guys, don't worry. So ATS means it's using for the only application tracking system. Whatever you are getting through the Naukri.com CB, so that is automatically reflected that ATS system. Okay, you can check whether that candidate is, recruitment process like that candidate is accepted offer or not, that candidate given an interview or not, selected or not. Everything process you can see through the recruitment. Am I right?
Okay, I understood,
Yeah.
sir. Sir, I used something called CPAL in Tech Tamina, so that does the same thing.
Yeah, yeah, that is also same thing. Okay. So now move for the see recruitment process. Okay, so I know everyone having this experience also in a HR domain, but still I have given some knowledge. See, what do you mean a manpower planning? Suppose you join a company now, so in that company the head of the department or HR HR department can give you the planning. Like in this department there is this type of vacancy. In this department there is this type of vacancy. So according to that vacancy you have to creating the job description. Okay, so what do you mean the job description? Job description is nothing, it's one type of job profile written in a JD. So how we are going for the recruitment process, so we should going by the recruitment process by internally and externally. So internally
Sir,
recruitment process I yes tell me
so,
something.
sorry for the interruption, sir. Sir, can you please say others to mute the link?
Yeah, please please mute yourself everyone. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So this is a part of the sourcing you may be doing by the internal sourcing by the help of the giving the promotion, demotion, whatever the scenario, internal job posting. And what is the external job posting? External job posting is same process, but it should be recruited by the outside. Okay, maybe consultancy, maybe Naukri.com, maybe placement, whatever the scenario. After the sourcing, that screening. Screening means you just taking some part of the online test or taking interview, final interview. Then we have moved for the like selection or onboarding process, like given the offer letter, joining letter, and joining formalities. So this is a part of the recruitment. So I think everyone having no issue because you have already having experience. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Sir, what is that CBT in screening?
Yeah. Common based test, CBT, common based test.
Okay, okay, got it, sir.
Yeah, it's one type of reasoning numerical activity like that. See, whenever you join TCS now, Infosys now, they are not taking directly interview for the freshers. They're taking some
Yes, sir,
online
aptitude
test.
exam.
Yeah, yeah. So that is known as CBT scenario. Okay. So this is a part of the HR operation. See, HR operation is nothing. It's a part of the human resource department activity. Okay, like what is a notice period, like 15 days, 30, 45, 60. But nowadays there's 90 days also one type of notice period. Am I right? Some company given the opportunity for 90 days also. Okay. Then
Yeah.
still,
Yes.
yeah. So LWP and LWP, loss without pay and loss of pay. So anyone any idea about this part?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Loss without pay is like for um,
Like leave without pay, you're not getting paid for that day.
Yes,
exactly.
same. Yeah.
Loss of pay is also same. I'm thinking about it, sir.
See, both are same. See, okay. Both are the same meaning. Means you have taken the unauthorization leave. Means suppose you having also 3 or 4 casual leave. Okay, but still you are not applying through the proper channel by mail or whatever the website you are maintaining, and suddenly you just wake up from your bed and saying, "Hey boss, today I cannot attend the office." So, this is one type of company those, na? Suddenly you cannot given any notice within 2 to 3 days ago and suddenly saying, hey boss, today I cannot attend the office. So is it,
Like
So leave
unplanned
without
leave.
information.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, leave
unplanned
without,
leave. Like,
yeah. So that is a part of the LOP and LOP. Have you understand the concept? So,
yes.
Yes.
so in the both scenario, na, you have not getting any salary or like you have not getting any pay for that. So in
Yes.
like human, yeah. So in a human resource department, so there is some part you have been done. So you have given the like confirmation letter, promotion letter, transfer letter. Okay. So there is transfer also. There is two part that is divided transfer. One is employee side transfer and employer. So what do you mean by employee? Suppose someone getting married from like Hyderabad location that person is staying and now shifted to Bangalore. So this is transfer from the employee end. So that is a one type of location transfer. Otherwise, department, suppose you both are working in HR domain, but you have been shifted to someone joining. Just a minute. David, can you hear me? David?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So this is a part of the HR domain we should started. Okay, nothing, only just simple, concept of the HR domain. Okay, so in a transfer, there is two scenario that is from the employee side. Suppose you are transfer for the reason, suppose you going to merit or you have been merit. Okay, so you are going to transfer from one location to one location. So that is a employee transfer. So what's the department? Because you all of you in a non SAP profile or HR domain profile, but still you want to separate like changes from department one department to others. You are from HR operation department to shifted to SAP HR. So that is the one more scenario of the how to transfer from the employee side. Employer means company side. Okay, suppose TCS situated in Hyderabad, so there is some scenario is going on like tsunami is going on. So in their natural disaster, the you you have to move from one location to another location. Or suppose the in TCS branches in Hyderabad also there is branches is shut down. So what can you do? All of the employee can transfer any location of India. Suppose in Hyderabad there is 2 or 3 branches are open. So there is one type of scenario of the transfer of the employee. So have you idea what do you mean by transfer from the employee and employer side? Or still any doubt face?
No doubt,
Understood,
sir.
sir.
Okay. See, so what do you mean by employee management? First one is grievance management that is complained by the employee. So you have been working for HR department for the long time, okay? So some of employee given the complaint, okay? So this is a part of the grievance management, how you attend that complaint and how you should going to resolve that part, okay? So that is a part of the grievance management. So it's maybe salary, it's maybe attendance, maybe promotion, maybe sex harassment. So this is one type of grievance management. Okay. So now we are moved of the employee engagement. See, actually whatever you are doing now, whenever you join a company, you cannot do all the time for working. Maybe you can do, but sometimes also company decided to give some like one type of engagement activities, like picnic, one type of celebration, annual function, sport, quiz, others. So this part activity also done by your company, na? Like regular basis for picnic, celebration, annual function, sport, quiz. Am I right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes,
Employee
yes.
engagement, we plan for it actually.
Perfect. So this is a part of the HR domain, okay? So how see this is most important part, like how we are going to give them sending process. See, suppose someone giving one type of complaint. So first, what do you think? First, you acknowledgement that issue. You just ask that person or employee, hey, what happened? Why you giving a complaint against your boss, colleague or juniors? Then you get the information, whatever the candidate is saying, that is true or not. We just asking that seniors person, and also you can check CCTV camera. There is anything bad happen or not. So this is a part of the you have to like collect the information that is known as gathered information. Then what is the root cause analysis? So you have been analysis there. There is only one thing is common. Both are working in the same project. So that's why every time there is some issue was going on. Okay. So this is a root cause analysis, whatever you analysis. So what should we take decision? So you decided that two employees will be given different project. Okay. So that's why there is no issue after the commitment. Okay, so after some period of time, what happened? Now you also see the education. Actually, what happened? Suppose you are giving the transfer 2% from separate project to separate project, then you should going for the review. Then after some period of time, you also realize whatever I am taking the decision, that is perfect, because that is happening only both are staying together and working together in a project. So that's why something like happened bad. So we can decide it to separate to each other projects, so there is no issue. So have you understand how to you handle the complaint?
Yeah.
Got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now going for the employee survey. See, employee survey is nothing. It's a one type of survey of a employee of a company. Okay, like how do you work your profile? Have you like your profile or not? So is your team leader supporting not? Is your junior is supporting not? But or like what is the like HR policy? Have you satisfied or not? Or what is the company policy? What should you change? Anyone. So that is a part of the employee survey. Okay. So now going for the employee discipline management. So anyone, any idea? Employee discipline management?
The policies we write for the employees.
Not policy. It's separate. This is the latest trend. Okay. See, employee discipline management means whatever that is activity happening in your organization. So there is some management team. Okay. So there is two type of scenarios there. One is serious, one is non-serious. So what is the serious scenario? Means whenever you going to kill somebody in office, or like any like one type of, how can I say, like rape
Sir,
or
there is
murder.
something.
Yeah,
Can
yeah.
I
So
give an
this,
example, sir?
yeah, you can give. It's a
Sir,
great
for
one. Yeah.
suppose if my employee came drunk to office, so
Yeah.
employee disciplinary management takes some action over there.
Yeah, definitely. But see, there is some also there is two scenario. One is serious, okay. One is non-serious. Serious case means what happened. Like you can murder suddenly. I don't know what happened with your colleague. You just murder or you just rape someone. So this is a one type of serious case. Also, internal management team cannot handle. You just call to whom? Police department. Hey, today here is this scenario to happen. Please come and take whatever you can do, like action. So this is a case of the serious scenario. You cannot also interfere because murder, rape, it's a police case. Am I right? So in this matter, no one can interfere. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what is a non-serious? See, serious also that is forget that is a part of the police department. non-serious means that is not one type of serious case, maybe some minor, okay, not major case. So there is two type of, one is formal consulting, informal. Okay, suppose someone drunk, okay, and that person coming to the office, but the effect is that that person not misbehave or like anything beat to anyone. So that is one type of formal case. You just ask that person, hey, why are you are like drinking and come to the office? Just you understanding the formally, then get back to the person to that home. So that is a one more scenario for the informal consulting. So what do you mean by formal consulting? So it's like one type of punishment. Okay. So whatever that person doing now, you just typing a mail to your HR department, that person going for office to like drinking, and also you take some pics and send to the HR department. So at that time, what can do the HR department? So that HR department can giving the formal, maybe so cause notice, maybe warning, or maybe termination. So this is a part of the formal and informal. Have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
So first we are giving notice, asking explanation letter.
see,
After
that is
that we
also one type.
start the
Yeah,
next.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is also one type of so-called notice. Now, whatever you can do, you also given the explanation. Na? So that is one type of
Yes.
so-called notice. Okay. But see, but some case also you cannot give that opportunity also. You can give the direct termination. You know na in which case, you know, I think so. Like there, suppose someone
Posh
giving the,
case.
yeah, someone giving the client information to others company or to,
Yeah, legal in crime information and very sometimes they are damage of your office.
oh yes,
Uh,
yes. So
yes,
that is the case of
that
you
time
can,
directly terminate.
yeah, that is the scenario of the termination. Okay, see,
Sir,
so
the
yeah, ask
I'm
me.
sorry, sir. Does
Yeah,
abscond letter also comes under this EDM, sir?
absconding. Yes, absconding is separate thing. This is separate thing. See, absconding
Okay.
means you have not informed to your, management or HR department.
Yes.
Suppose you are going to leave, but you cannot leave properly. You cannot, going through your channel, or you cannot say properly to your manager, HR department. So what happened? So in that case, it is one type of absconding case. Okay, that we don't know
Yes.
about that employee, whether that company that person joined or not. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So, see, have you any idea about the, like, how can I explain you? HR analytics? Anyone, any idea? Human resource analytics, HR analytics.
No, sir.
It's a subject, sir, which I'm weak in.
Anyone, any idea? See, I'm not asking HR analytics. I'm asking analytics.
Technical way, or kind of a technical way to manage things, sir.
Something like that. See, okay, I give you a simple scenario. Okay, you join a TCS company, okay, and you count that in the first month of a TCS Hyderabad location, only 100 people are staying or like active in that company, okay. So after some period of time, means end of the month. So first May of the month, you count there is 100 active employee, means they are active in the organization. But after some period of time, it's maybe 1 month. So 30 or 31st of the May, what can you see? There is 5 members are leaving the company. So can you tell me how many people still now in organization?
So can you just repeat it once again?
See, I am giving the simple scenario. Okay, you join a company TCS Hyderabad. Okay, and you now in a company only 100 people are active of the first May,
Okay.
means this month first day, first day of the month, means starting month. Okay, and after end of the month, maybe 30, maybe 31. So there is only 95 people are active. Means five people. So can you tell me how many people are leaving? First day of the
So
month.
5 members.
Yeah. So this is a part of the analytics. Have you understand the concept? See, whatever I am telling
Got it, sir.
now.
It's like attrition.
Yeah, attrition.
Calculating attrition, sir.
Yeah, one type of see. Analytics means nothing. It's a one type of figure. Okay, like how many people are joining, how many people are leaving. It's only one type of graphically representation. Whatever you are saying now, you can represent in a graphical way. Maybe in Excel, maybe graphical way, maybe any software. So that is a part of the HR analytics. So have you understand the concept?
Got it, sir.
See, there is also one
Yes, sir.
formula I am also given. Okay, so how you know the attribution calculation? So, opening balance. Okay, so opening balance means first month of the day. Suppose 100 people plus closing balance end of the day 95 people. Divide then divided by 2 into 100. So that is a percentage of the attribution. Have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, HR analytics is not important for SAP HR, sorry, SAP SCM, but still you want na, you want also learn something. There is n number of video in YouTube, and you also expert in Excel if you are expert in HR analytics, but in SAP SCM not required. But I can tell only some small part of HR analytics. So have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what do you mean by gratuity? Who can tell me? Yeah, gratuity. Anyone, any idea? Please mute
It is
yourself.
something like when you are completed 5 years in a company,
Perfect.
then you're,
Means
yeah, and that is the last withdrawn salary into 12 something. I'm not sure about
yeah,
the
yeah,
calculation.
yeah. That is
Yeah.
not required. See, actually, the scenario is that whenever you join a company now, if you have been working for more than 5 years, so you definitely get the benefit of the gratuity. Okay, so around 5 years, but some part of the Hyderabad, Chennai, they maintain 4 years to 14 days, around 2 4 years, 10 months like that. But all over in this India, around 2 to 3 states, they calculate around 5 years. Okay.
Hmm.
In Telangana, 4 years, sir.
4 years to 40 days. I think so. I am also not
Yes,
correct. Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
So
above
that
four
is,
years. Yes.
yeah, above 4, yeah. So that is also calculate from the basic pay of 4.1, 4.81%. What is you getting the basic? So into 4.81%, otherwise last earned salary into 15 into number of years working divided by 26. Okay, that is a formula. I am also still forget. Okay, let's see. And I think that is the formula. Whatever I am saying. Last earned salary into 15 into number of years working divided by 26. See, am I right? 15 years into last earned salary into working tenure divided by 30. Have you understand the concept? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, I think some people are expert in payroll, but still I can give some part of the introduction. See, payroll means it's divided into two part. Okay, one is compensation part and one is benefit part. So what do you mean by compensation and what do you mean by benefit? See, compensation means it's one type of benefit of the monetary benefit. Okay, whatever you are getting salary in your bank account, that is perfect combination of the compensation part. Suppose you are getting the in hand 30, 40, 50, whatever the scenario. So that is a part of a compensation and monetary part. So in monetary part, we have been maintaining the basic DA, HRA, okay. And what is the benefits? This is a part of the compensation. So what do you know benefits? See, some benefits now we cannot credited some account, sorry amount. So that is given by the company, like health insurance, food allowance, okay. You have not credited that amount in your bank account. That is only given by the company. Only you just uh, use that benefit, medical insurance, food allowance, whatever the scenario. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you mean by CTC? Any idea? Anyone?
Cost to the company.
CTC include employee side and employee side PF and everything is included.
Yes, yes, that is CTC part. See, whenever we are calculate na any part that is maintained by the CTC. Suppose I am my CTC is 6 lakh na per year. So what is my basic? It should be around 30 or 40% of CTC. So it should be around 1.8 lakh. Suppose 6 lakh is my CTC or 2.4 lakhs. So have you understand the concept?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
understand, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's a concept of basic. See, DA is dearness allowance. This is a concept of government employee because they are benefit the dearness
Direct
allowance.
allowance.
Yeah. So that is how we should calculate it. That is by the 20 or 30% of the basic. Okay, am I right? 20 or 30%
Yes,
of
sir.
the basic. So what do you mean by HRA? HRA means house rent allowance. See,
House rent allowance. Yes.
yeah. So whenever you join a company now, so company give one type of allowance that is for the house rent. So it's depending upon metro to non-metro. Suppose you are staying in a non-metro now, you only getting the benefits 40% of the basic. Okay. And suppose you are staying metro city like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Delhi, so that benefit 50% of the basic. So have you understood the
Okay.
concept of the
Got it, sir.
HRA? Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm. See, allowance should be like any percent, okay? And incentive should be any percent, but companies are maybe given 30% of the basic, maybe given 40% of the basic for the incentive and allowance. This is a standard, but nowadays no one company given according to that basic 40% or allowance 30% in case of allowance or incentive. Whatever the company wants, they can give. See, nowadays company cannot maintain in a proper way. Like basic should be this, HRS should be this, allowance incentive should be this. So whatever the company
Yes.
policy, they can take. Okay, but this is your formula, standard thing. You have to know how to calculate the payroll. This is standard. But some company they don't maintain the standard. Whatever they want, they take. So have you clear about this part?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So anyone idea? I think someone says okay. So anyone any idea about PF, EPF? Who can tell me? What do you mean by EPF?
Yes, sir. Provident fund is like 12% from the gross salary.
Not gross. There is some other
Sorry,
percentage.
sorry.
Basic plus
TTC. No,
allowance.
no.
Yeah, basic plus
Yeah,
allowance
yeah.
12%. Okay. See, I am tell you one more scenario. Okay, so provident fund is compulsory for everyone. Okay, who gross salary or basic plus allowance each less than 15,000, then that person is compulsory given the EPF contribution or PF contribution. Okay, but like some company employee or like some employee having more than 15,000, that is basic plus allowance. So that person may be or may not be. That is optional contribution. Have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
So in a 12%, 8.33% that is deducted by the employee pension scheme and 3.7% that is EPF. Okay. So this
Yes.
is the part of the EPF, Employee Provident Fund. Okay. So EPF also some term and condition. So you cannot give the exceed amount of how many rupees? 1500. Sorry,
Yes, sir.
1800. Okay. I can give one scenario. Just suppose my basic 10,000, okay, and other allowance 4,000. So my total amount basic plus allowance 14,000. So I can give my 12%, that is around 1680. But according to the PF Act 1952, we cannot give more than 1800. That means your highest contribution towards 15,000 into 0.12, 1800. Am I right? Suppose your
Correct, sir.
base, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So your basic should be 20,000 and your allowance should be 10,000. So how much? 30,000. But you are saying no. You are saying that 12%. So I can get the benefit around 3,600. No, you have makes to benefit of the 15,000. That is 1,800. Have you understand the
Yes.
concept or still any doubt?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
So perfect. So what do you mean by ESIC benefit? Who can tell me?
Sorry,
It's like
sir.
a medical benefit to the employee
ESIC
which
benefit, yeah.
government provides.
Yes. See, ESIC means Employee State Insurance Corporation. Okay. So that is the benefit of the ESIC. That means employer and employee, okay, both are the giving the benefit. So what is the term and condition? Suppose your gross salary is less than 21,000, then you get a
Yes.
ESIC benefit. ESIC means Employee State Insurance Corporation. It's one type of medical benefit that you
Yes.
get with government of India. Okay. So how you should calculate? So your gross salary into 0.75%. Okay, that is contribution by the employee, and employer means company given by 3.25%. So this is the ESIC concept. So have you understand the concept of the ESIC?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So anyone, any doubt, you should ask me.
No doubt, sir.
See, allowance also, conveyance allowance given 19,200 and medical 15,000 per month. It's a standard, but now private companies given n number of conveyance allowance amount and n number of medical allowance. Means that amount is not fixed in the private. But this is a standard. Either you should maintain or not. That's not a big deal. Okay, so this is how to we merge payslip, help of the Microsoft Excel to what? Okay, that is not required, but still you want to proceed it, you just create in a word like basic HR, employee ID, everything, and that is converted into a pay slip. Okay, so you have been created in Excel like basic HR, whatever is scenario, and that is converted into pay slip in the format of the Microsoft Word. So this is the option how you are going to Excel to Word converting the pay slip. This is a basic concept. So have you heard about the park payroll? ESS, MSS, any idea? ESS,
No, sir.
MSS,
Mhm. No, sir.
employee self-service?
ESS is employee self-service that
Yes.
employee access their payroll data via ESS, their
Anything,
details they can
anything,
see.
anything. See,
Yeah, anything. Yeah.
ESS, yeah. See, ESS means whenever company log in their website, company website now, at that time that employee can see, okay, anything data like how many hours working in a day, what is your pay slip, what is your like any news that is coming from organization. So everything see by the ESS. Even one employee can take like casual sick leave by the help of the ESS. So what do you mean by MSS? So MSS means management self services. Okay, that is one type of backend activity. Suppose whatever you are applying now, holiday, casual sick leave, that is reflected in MSS. So that maybe some HR person can approve, or management person, or MD or CEO of that. Okay, so see, MSS means management or HR person can doing all activity. ESS means only employee. I see. So ESS, what can you see as an employee? You can see attendance. If you need, you can also document upload. How many hours you are working, you can see. So message and news also see. Holiday list, you can see. Address, suppose you change now, you can change your address. Pay policy, pay slip, you can see. HR policy, you can see. Okay. And other things like suppose someone joining in a company, you can see how many balance, you can see birthday, you take some leave, you can take a leave. So in MSS, only backend process can done. Leave policy, HR policy can be created in a backend. You can lock and suspend someone user ID in ESS. Okay. So this is a part of the ESS and MSS. Whenever you're joining a
Like
job,
onboarding and offboarding.
no, that is a separate concept. Onboarding, offboarding, that is separate concept. ESS and MSS is separate. This is using only for
Okay.
the portal. Suppose you having maintained na, your company portal. So that is you have been maintaining. ESS means you having a user ID password. You can do whatever you want, like attendance, document upload, message. You can see, or like who can join. You can see everything data. And MSS means backend process. Suppose you applying holiday na tomorrow, so your manager should apply by the backend. That is known as MSS. So have you
Yes, sir.
clear about this part? ESS and MSS.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Perfect. So KR and KPI. See, KRA means key responsibility area. Okay, means what is your job profile. Okay, so that is your known as key responsibility area. Means what is your job profile and what can you do. Suppose you're joining a company now in a HR officer. So what is your activities? So that is your known as KRA, key responsibility area. So KPI means key performance indicator. Suppose you join HR department now. So what can you do right now within a month, within a year? Suppose management given a target 50 employees you should hire in this month. So that is your target. Okay. So that is your KPI, key performance indicator. Suppose you are hiring more than 50% now, you going for the performance appraisal. Suppose you have been only hiring 10 or 15%, so you are not eligible for the performance appraisal. So have you understand the concept KR and KPI?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Then PMS. See, PMS means Performance Management System. Okay. So before starting this part, so I think most of people doing MBA na background or like
Yes,
others. So
Done, sir.
have
MBA.
you, yeah, you have been done MBA na. So you know na this is a part of the performance management at the time of the MBA. You know na theoretical part. Am I
Yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
So performance management also divided into like rating scale method, essay method, management by objective, checklist method, confidential report, self-appraisal form. So what do you mean by rating scale method? So rating scale method is nothing that is given in a rating. Suppose I am giving the rating like David as 5 to 5. That means that person is excellent. Suppose I am giving the David like 1 means not I am satisfied with that performance. Giving 3 means average. So this is the rating scale method. Essay method. Now I am writing a mail in a essay manner. David is a not good person, that person is behavior is not good. Everything I just explaining in a essay method. So management by objective means whatever I am giving the uh, rating that person David. So that is decided by the like senior, junior, and colleague of the David. Suppose colleague of the David saying yes, that person is good. Senior also saying yes, that person is good. Junior also saying yes, that person is good. So I can manage that person is perfect. So checklist method means you have to maintain the checklist. So there is 3 to 4 checklist method are given. So what is the behavior towards the senior by the debits? So there is 4 options: very good, good, normal, bad behavior. So I can tick okay, very good. So this is one type of scenario of checklist method. So what
Got
do
it.
you say confidential method? See, confidential method that is not given to everyone, that reporting method, okay? Suppose you are joining a company now, within 1 to 2 years, you know most means you are very much interested. Hey, can you tell me my like appraiser, like I am like promoted or not? So that is very confidential. After you getting the salary, only you should know. Oh my God, this is my like promotion part, or I can getting promoted from this salary to this salary. Otherwise, you cannot know. So this is a very confidential report. Have you understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So self-appraisal form is whatever you apply yourself. Okay. So what is error in PMS? Suppose I am giving a performance. There is 2 or 3 step. Hello effect. Suppose someone from South India and I am also staying in Hyderabad, and 2 to 3 people is joining in Hyderabad for my same location, and they are my caste or same region. So at that time I can give whatever I think I can give best. I think that people are not efficient to giving the performance appraisal, but due to some weakness because that person is belonging from Hyderabad or from South India or from my region, my caste, so I can give good performance. So that is known as one type of weakness. So that is halo effect. So what is happening the horn effect? That is opposition of the halo effect. Suppose someone joining from Mumbai na, so I think oh my god that is outsider of the South Indian. So what can I do? I can give the negative. So that is whatever that person doing best na, I can always give him the negative. So that is known as horn effect. So
It's like
central,
partiality, sir.
yeah, it's one type of partiality. Perfect. So central tendency means whatever I am giving now, that is central for everyone. Means I am giving the centrally for the good. Redundancy means whatever I am giving that is centrally bad. Okay, sunflower effect means I am targeting some group of people. Like suppose I am giving the 5 project for the 5 project team, but one project team member they are giving the excellent performance, so I am only targeting that project team, maybe 5 or 10 employee I am giving the highest rating, around 4 project team I am giving the low rating, or I have not given any rating. So this is the error at the time of the PMS. Have you understood the concept?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so this is a part of the PF Act 1952. So whenever you join a company now, so that company when giving the PF, only 20 people or 20 employee, if more than 20 employees there, so minimum 20 employees there, so that company given the PF benefits. So what is the condition? Monthly basic plus allowance is below 15,000, then that is compulsory, or after 15,000 that is optional. You may or you may not be. Okay. So see, there is some account of EPF deduction. So EPF also divided into 5 accounts. First one is Employee Provident Fund account, admin account, then EPS, Employee Pension Scheme, then ELDI, that is one type of Employee Direct Link Insurance Plan. So this is a different type of account deduction from different percentages. So in a 12% from the employer end or company can deduct 3.67 as for the EPF, admin charges 0.5, EPS 8.33, that is pension scheme, EDLI admin 0.5, 0.5, and employee only given the 12%. So there is not divided into 5 accounts. Have you understand the concept how the EPF accounts should be divided for the employee and company?
Sir, it's not that
Yes.
clear. Is it
Yeah.
useful for staff, sir?
This is not useful for the SAP, but you know the basic concept of the EPF, na? See, I am
Okay, okay,
explaining
got it.
again. Okay, so 12%, whatever your amount, suppose your amount should be highest 1800, so that is given by the employee end. So there is nothing divided any account. Okay, but at the time of the company contribute, na, so that is divided into 5 parts. One is 3.67% given to the EPF account. Then pension account
Okay.
8.33, admin 0.50%. So this is a part of how divided into your EPF account. So this is not necessary, but still you know something. Have
Got
you
it,
understood
sir.
the concept?
Yes, sir.
So there is one more concept, that is ESI benefit. There is also same concept, 0.75, that is deduction from the employee if your gross salary below 21,000, and 3.25% that is given by the employer company. This is also same condition. Minimum you having 20 employees required to giving the ESIC benefit. Employees should be full-time employee of India, and employee gross salary 21,000 or less than 21,000. Then also you get some IP card, that is insured person card or pehchan card. You know na. Suppose you buy a health insurance na, so company given you the I think health card. Am I right? In a private sector,
Yes.
medical card,
Yes, sir.
health
Yes.
card. Yeah. So this is a card for the government pehchan card. Whenever you're going for the ESIC hospital, you get benefit. Okay. See.
Yes.
So so there is also most important part, that is bonus act 1965. See, bonus is divided into 3 parts. One is performance bonus, that is compulsory, every company given. Festival bonus, that is given once in a year. Referral bonus, suppose you join somebody as given your employee reference, so you getting some amount. So what is the condition for the bonus? You have been working minimum 1 month, okay, and your basics should be less than 21,000, equal to less than 21,000. Then your bonus should be contributed 8.33% of the annual basic, or 20% of the basic pay. So that is more than means that is not more than 7,000. So how many? Like 7,000 into 12, 84,000. So you getting the bonus according to the bonus act 1965 only 84,000. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
See,
sir.
actually, according to the bonus act 1965, this is your condition now. 8.33% of your annual basic pay, that is deduction. Otherwise, 20% of your basic pay deduction, but that should not be more than 7,000. So 7,000 per month. So yearly how many? 7,000 into 12. So you are getting 84,000 bonus, highest in a month. Sorry, in a year. So you see now in a TCS, Infosys, Wipro, they are not following this bonus act 1965. They whatever they want, na, they can give. Not only 84,000, they are giving 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 10 lakh also. Have you seen, na? Yes or no?
Oh, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So see, whatever I am telling you now, so this is the concept of the HR domain. Some company may be follow, some company may not be follow. They are using their own, policy. But this is, standard policy you have to maintain. But nowadays no one can maintain this procedure like
Yes,
bonus,
sir.
whatever. Okay, so see, this is the your gratuity formula. Okay, so like monthly return salary into 15 into number of years working into divided by 26. See, this is a formula for the HR analytics. Suppose how you know the time to hire, so you know how vacancy identification minus date of interview. Suppose you are hiring you are hiring someone, so you give the advertisement first day of the month, and your hiring process was completed 10th May of the month. So how many days taken to hiring? 9 days. So date of the last day of the interview hiring minus first day, which is day of the publishing of the hiring date. So 10 minus 1, so it's taken around 9 days to fill up that person. Have you understand the concept? This is actual analytics. Okay. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Please
sir.
confirm.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Yes.
What do you mean the cost per hiring? Suppose you are hiring 10 person, and you have been costing around 10 lakh. So how many cost per candidate? So 1 lakh divided by 10. So per candidate there should be around cost 10,000. That is known as cost per hire or recruitment cost per candidate. Have you understand the concept?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what do you mean by quality of hire? Suppose you are hiring 10 candidates now and only 5 candidates are giving the best performance. So how many percent? So 50% is here for the quality of hire. So how can you know the number of candidate total hiring? The total of best candidate or total number of candidate hire, that is good or best performance, divided by total number of hiring candidate into 100. So that is known as quality of hire. Am I right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is your offer acceptance ratio? Suppose I am giving the offer letter to the 10 candidate now, only 5 candidate accept my offer letter. So that is the concept of the offer letter acceptance. That means 10, only 5 people accept, only 50% people are accept my offer letter. So how we can calculate? So total number of offer acceptance by the candidate divided by total number of offer given by into 100. So that is a formula of the offer acceptance. So this is a part of the HR analytics. So don't need, but still you want, you can see. Okay. So
So
today
this
I
will be
can.
used by the head HR, sir.
Which part?
All this,
HR
all
analytics.
this data will be. Yes, sir.
No. You can also do that all the part. Not only HR head. You can also see as a executive, as a manager also you can take all the part. You can do HR analytics. So this is not a
Yes, sir.
big
I
deal.
understand.
So everyone can do.
Got it, sir.
So still you have any like issue facing? So we should ask me or we should wind up. Anyone, any doubt?
No doubt.
Say,
No doubt.
No, sir.
okay, so I can share you previous also PDF and today PDF. So previous PPT I can share you. Today's HR domain also I material send you and video also. Don't worry. So tomorrow your classes will be started 9 to 10 p.m. You have to manage, okay? 9 to 10 p.m. Am I right, everyone?
Tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow.
9 p.m. to
Yes.
10 p.m.
Yeah, 9 to 10 p.m. Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Good night.
Sir,
Have a great day.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
sir, can we, can we, instead of Google Meet, can we do it on Skype? Because Skype, when you will do it, the record will be there, no, automatic recording. Skype.
Okay. I can see what can I do, but this is given by the management. Okay, let's see. But but
Sir, but
I
you can
got
share the recording, right?
yes, yes, sir. Every time. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. So, sir, you're saying tomorrow at 9 to 10 p.m. or day after tomorrow?
No, tomorrow, Friday.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow only 9 to 10.
Tomorrow
10
itself.
p.m.
Okay, because they said it's alternate days, but I got it. So it's okay, sir. Tomorrow we can manage.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. So still any doubt from anyone?
Thank you.
No.
No, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
sir.
so much. Yeah. Thank you. Good
Thank
night, everyone.
you.
Thank
Thank you.